Guys, today is going to be a banger, something I'm super excited to get into because we've got about 6 pairs of sneakers to unbox and take a look at. I've been itching to get into these sneakers, but I waited for you guys, so let's get into this. Now, one pair that I'm still waiting on that I was kind of hoping would be in this video is the Stussy Air Force One, but those things haven't even shipped yet, so I'm still waiting on those, but we'll take a look at those when they do finally get in, whenever the hell that is. Alright, first sneaker. This one is from Nike. So I did actually open it, and I actually put up a poll on Instagram whether you guys wanted to see a review on this, and it was split. It was like 60-40 or something like that. There is a lot of things about this pair of shoes that I do really like, and I think the only thing holding me back from just straight up doing a review is the fact that this is one of the most hated Jordans actually out there. These are just so clean, man. This is the Jordan 1 mid inside out. These things are crazy. These are absolutely crazy for a Jordan 1 mid. I am just blown away by, I guess, the details on this pair of shoes. A bunch of neutral tones, like, I mean, God, it's got the sail laces, it's got the sail suede on the toe bar. Yeah, the leather's not the best quality. It does feel pretty plasticky. Now, a lot of people said that they got off-white vibes from these things. Of course, definitely. I think I 100% agree with you guys. It's got some interesting materials, something that I guess off-white sneakers would kind of use. Like here on the midsection, it's kind of got that plasticky overlay texture, which I think is synonymous with some off-white sneakers. And then the idea behind the sneaker is kind of flipped inside out, if that makes sense. Let me know what you think of this sneaker. Right, this one, all we need is a good pair of hands. I don't need my knife for this. One that dropped the other day, which honestly, I'm pretty excited about, but at the same time, I mean, they just been handing out the same colorway. So let's see what we got here. Okay, here you go. So this is the Yeezy 500 Granite. Clay brown, the ash gray, and now the granite, and they all look very, very similar. There's obviously some differences between the colors. I thought these were going to be a lot closer to the ash grays, but these are a lot darker for sure, and they are much more true gray, if that makes sense. But in general, if you don't have a pair of 500s, you were looking for a pair, it's a great thing for you because you can get these, I think, at a pretty decent price. Hopefully you manage to get them for retail because it's solid, it's a comfortable sneaker, and I just think all over a great model. Okay, so this one's actually pretty funny. So you guys know I've been talking about the Nike by You recently, specifically the Dunks, and how like the UK keeps on restocking the option to create your own colorway. Well, I did something pretty next level because I created a very hyped colorway which is not a Dunk colorway. So let me show you what we got. Obviously this is the Nike by You box. It's pretty much all over white, and of course it has the Nike by You text on the top. I'm very interested to see how these turn out, if they're like the same as they do look online. So let's pull them open. Okay. And here is the Nike by You Mocha Dunk. So first of all, I made like a short video talking about the leather quality being so much better, and that is 100% true. Like the leather quality on the black panels for this pair of sneakers is just so much better. It's tumbled leather. It's like better than most Jordans you would find. The toe bar is not leather. If you take a close-up look, it is, I guess, kind of like this fabric material. This does have brown suede on the back. When you compare it to the Mochas, this is not as brown as the Mochas. I just thought it would be fun to create something like this, just to kind of do a little comparison. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if this option is still available, but listen guys, if you're interested in Nike Dunk by Yous, they restock these things all the time here in the UK. Let me know what you think of this, if you think I should have done something different, or whether you kind of like this vibe. Right, let's take a quick look at these, because I did do a review because I had to get the review out as quick as possible, but obviously this sneaker drops over the weekend. This is, I'm sure a lot of you guys know. I just gotta say how much I freaking like this box. This is such a nice box. It just has a really like aesthetically pleasing look to the eye. The military black 4s. Again, they drop this Saturday. Raffles are available. Go and check it out as soon as possible. And I'm loving this sneaker. As soon as I got them in and I tried them on, I was like, yo, these are going straight on foot. This is like one of my favorite Jordan 4s to drop this year, and it might even be my favorite for the rest of the year, depending on what they drop. But this is just such a clean colorway. Yeah, military black 4s. Good luck for anybody who's going for these on the raffles, but let's keep it moving. This is one that I don't even know why I got this pair of shoes, but it seems to be pretty hyped. So let's take a look at it. You're met with this very cartoon-like box, which I gotta say looks pretty cool. It's the Hello Kitty Prestos, guys. I will say, as a collaboration, they've done some really interesting things to this sneaker that actually make it kind of cool. Like, honestly, listen, I'm not a Hello Kitty guy. I don't even really know what Hello Kitty is. The Presto is a tried and tested sneaker model. It's super comfortable. It feels great on foot. This is a solid collaboration, but I'm not really one to rock a Hello Kitty sneaker. You've got the little Hello Kitty on the back. The sock liner of this is actually all velour or kind of velvet, so it feels quite silky. Custom insoles, which look really interesting from the inside. And of course, you've got Hello Kitty's face all over the upper. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section. It is a fire colorway. I love the blue, and I love how it mixes with the white. They also killed the box, by the way. I'm really liking this box. Final package. This one came as a complete surprise. As many of you know, the Yeezy slides released, was it yesterday? I believe it was on Monday, and I took L's everywhere. Listen, I entered so many raffles because I think I've only ever hit on slides like one time. The Confirmed app hit me with an L. Foot Patrol everywhere hit me with an L. I never got an email that I won this raffle. It's from 18 Montrose, and I don't even know what colorway this is. So I'm not gonna look, and we're just gonna see which one this is. I hope this is the Onyx colorways. That's the one I haven't seen yet. So which one is this? Okay, it's not the Onyx. This is the pure colorway of the Yeezy slide. Still happy with that because, you know what? I don't mind. Just getting a W on a freaking Yeezy slide is a massive deal. What I wear most of the time is my pair of ochre slides, and this is the first slide that I had with this new kind of texture that they have. It's super comfortable, and normally they make these pretty true to size now, so I'm gonna try this pure on and see if they've changed anything with the sizing. I mean, it's pretty much the same. I feel like, it's a little bit more snug, but I don't know whether that's just because I've stretched out these ochres too much by wearing them all the time. Pure is probably one of the best kind of staple colorways right now when it comes to the Yeezy slides. They are super wearable. This is a colorway that I think just goes great with pretty much everything. Let me know, guys, did you manage to cop a pair of slides? If so, which color? And obviously, was it the colorway that you wanted? Did you want the Onyx and then got the green glows or something? So there you have it, guys. We have unboxed everything. We've taken a look at everything. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section. I want to say a massive good luck to you guys if you're going for any upcoming sneaker releases like the Jordan 4 Military Blacks. But that wraps it up, guys. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then...